Good morning, everyone. Just saw a reminder from Swara that today we have our SODP. So I thought, why not utilize this opportunity and talk about the case which I had presented in last SODP of mine. So I had recently taken the follow up of the patient. As we had discussed in the SODP, there were a lot of information that was yet to be covered in that case. So had called her back, had asked her what was the major reason that she was not willing to be or not willing to continue in that relation. Surprisingly, uh, what happened, the information which we got was a connection to the previous information which we have. Probably, luckily, what I had done is I was able to make something out of the intuition, or not to know what to be called, but maybe an ignorance too. I was able to decipher and go back to some near remedy of it. And once this opened up, the reason was there was no communication in the relation, and that had led back to the same similar information which we had, but this completes the whole circle. The immense pleasure it gave me by understanding a thing which was not clear prior happened because of a SODP. I have been and I have been in the process attending Swara Gurukul and refining myself. But this personal attention which I got during SODP was tremendously helpful. It is helping me, it is making me to clear some things like page, para, and the word. So, this kind of understanding, probably after seeing fallbacks in our own case, is a beautiful opportunity. I think this kind of process which Team Swara is taking up, Priyanka ma'am, Divya ma'am, Shekhar sir, Om sir, Pankaj sir, all the members of the Swara team who are helping us out through various other methods. I feel this should be utilized properly, because um once you have a plate full of food and you are not eating it, that means that is us who we are missing the opportunity. I request all the youngsters, recent practitioners who have passed out from the college and who are working on to the cases, and especially the young generation, because I think we are the people who don't have proper mentors at this point of time. So it would act as a catalyst to reach the perfection or near perfection, because yeah, so near perfection as much early as possible. So it's the fastest way. So I would request everyone to attend, and let's meet at today's SODP in the evening. Thank you.